Hi guys, it's me, V, just a person who will be a straight A student if K-pop was a major. Say, YooA of 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 has had her solo debut. This is exciting. So I have seen pictures from it, like her with very short hair and also her with long hair but like paint on her face. So I'm intrigued. I'm very curious about this. She's very talented, so it has to be good. Also, she was like the first member of 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪 that I noticed, because I was like, damn, she's gorgeous. And yeah, okay, so you are with Voyage. Okay, let's go. Oh, ooh. Oh, is there gonna be like a sex storyline or something? Like, I'm already like very into this. Whoa, oh my god, freckles. I know they're not real, by the way. I love her voice. God, this music video is beautiful. Her voice goes so well with the aesthetics of the music video. Oh, this look is to die for. Oh, love it. Ooh. Oh, this background voices are such a nice touch. Whoa. This is the short-haired look I was talking about. Ooh, short hair suits her. Kind of reminds me of Avatar. I think this has to be one of the most beautiful music videos I've seen in K-pop. Like, wow. Oh, she's such a good dancer as well. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Well, okay, that took me by surprise. I did not expect that. Whoa. Oh, I love her voice. I love the music video. It's fantastic. It's so good. Like, amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Great job, YooA. That's so good. And it suits her so well as well. Oh, okay. Okay, let me know your thoughts on this, and as always, before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again another time. Bye.